He's so
You got
careful.
one picture of him with his little basket?
Oh yeah, I'm taking a video.
Hi, Boo. Oh, hi. What'd you find? What's that one? Look at.
I love how he carries it over his arm.
What's that? Aiden. Hey, what's that? Oh my. What is that? Get the egg. Put it in your basket. Oh, good job. You need help?
Yeah, he needs help. It's too hard to climb the stairs carrying a basket, Mom.
Here you go. You gonna go down the slide? Oh my, what's those? Here, Mom, get right here. Put it in your basket. Oh my goodness. Get your basket. Whoa. Look, put it in here. Aiden. Wow. Come on. 2 in 1. Come on.
Sit down. Sit on your bottom. There you go.
Here. Good job, buddy.
Come on down.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Aiden, you want to go down the slide with me? Boo. Aiden out. Oh, jeez.
Oh. Are you going to stomp on the fishies?